welcome to the Rivergo location here, which is in North Snowdonia in the National Park. That's where I'm standing, and this area is called the Rivergo, and you can see a beautiful waterfall just behind me. So coming at it's pouring with water with quite a height, coming down, and there's plenty of stepping stones, and you can actually cross over the stepping stones to the other side, and you can do trekking with families and friends, whoever you decide to come with. It's a beautiful spot. I'm standing here in the month of November, and I have just passed, time right here now is just past 2 p.m. and hopefully in the month of November the days are shorter, so that's what you need to take into consideration, that when you decide to come to places like North Wales, the days are much shorter. Apparently I've come at a good day. It's cloudy, it's not too cold, but I do recommend that you wear warm clothing. And today it's a fine day, but it's not raining, there's no drizzle. Yes, perhaps muddy, so if you decide to go up there at the top, if you just go halfway, you'll get it's pretty much muddy in that area, in that zone, and you need proper sort of Wellington boots. Not shoes like mine, but shoes like mine, it's fine to walk around here or just up to the stepping stone, and if it gets muddy then obviously wash it off. The water is absolutely spring water, it's absolutely fine. Really nice. It's cold, as you can see I'm washing my hands with it. So if you decide to have a picnic with your friends or family, it's a lovely day. It's our first day of holiday. It's a lovely day out, and yes, it's a bit cold, and it's just look how clean the water is. So you can see how clean the water is. It's just absolutely amazing. You can't go wrong. And once you're washing your hands, you get to see the amazing view. You get to see the amazing valley. You can walk down this path, right? And you can take this path, you're going through the valley, and you're surrounded by a range of mountains. They may not be of really high altitude, but they are very big mountains. So you can see this is all very absolutely big out here. So it's really, you really open up to your sense of adventure. It's absolutely breathtaking. If you want to restore nature in you, bring back nature, it's the best place to go.